Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to log into Tlauncher of someone's account. Note that it is not to be used for any malicious purposes. I have my friend's permission before I try this with his account. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that the account is blank. I have clicked on it. Now just type in your friend's gamer tag. If you have done that, just click enter the game. You click on multiplayer and join the server which you are want to join. Now friends, it will slowly load, but you will see that I will have my friend's skin. I have my friend's gamer tag, my friend's inventory, my friend's skin. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see any more content on my channel, please give me ideas in the comment section. Thank you.